Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, قل أرأيتكم إن أتاكم عذاب الله أو أتتكم الساعة أغير الله تدعون إن كنتم صادقين. Translation: Say, what do you think if the punishment of Allah comes on you or that hour overtakes you? Then will you call for help someone other than Allah? Answer it if you speak the truth. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us a universal fact that has been there since the beginning of this world and that will stay in the hearts till the end of time, that whenever any human being is in trouble, his heart goes towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that was also present at the time of revelation of Quran. The mushrikeen Makkah used to travel by the sea, and if their ship was surrounded by the waves of the sea, and if there is high tide in the sea and they feel that the ship may sink, at that time they used to call only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. At that time they did not call Lat, Manat, Uzza, which were their idols. They would call Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And even today we can feel that in our heart, that at the time of difficulty, at the time of turbulence in our life, at the time of any accident, we call Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with a sincere heart, and as a matter of fact our iman and taqwa increases. And a scholar gave a very funny example that if we are traveling in the aeroplane and there is significant turbulence in the air and the plane starts going down, as the plane is going down, our taqwa goes up and our iman becomes stronger, and we all feel that, we all know that, whoever has traveled in the aeroplane, that this is a fact. Similarly, anytime we are tested with any significant calamity, our hearts are connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the same thing will happen in the day of judgment. When the hour will come, when the day of judgment will come, we will be very, very sincere to the heart in calling Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not alhamdulillah the Muslimin, but the Kafireen as well, who did not believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They will be calling to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us vision so that we can see the truth now when we are in this world. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.